Right on top, we have the 4 aces, and I'm going to lose the 4 aces somewhere in the middle of the deck. So we have one here. We'll put one even more spaced out. We'll space each one of them out. That way they're not all in the same spot, but they're all in 4 different places. Okay, so we have 4 aces in 4 different places. We're going to square them all up and lose them somewhere. And just by a couple of cuts, you can see that they're all now magically on the bottom of the deck. So let me teach you how this is done. First, you need to know how to do the Hindu shuffle, which looks like this. Extremely simple, and I have done a full tutorial, which I'll link in the description below. But for the basics of it, you're just going to be taking your thumb and ring and middle are just going to be on both sides of the deck, and then the same fingers are going to pull it off the top, and you're going to lay it down into a mechanic's grip. So again, peeling it off here, dropping it down, and you'll be all set to go from there. Now we're going to place all 4 cards in the center of the deck, but you're going to make sure that they're placed in 4 completely different places and try and get them all about below the halfway point. Now, if they're not all exactly below halfway, it's not going to be stressful, but you want a bigger packet again on the top. Now, when it comes to the grip of this actual sleight of hand move, you're going to put your thumb along the bottom of it and your middle and ring along the other side of the long edge. And then your thumb, middle, ring, and pinky are going to be doing the same thing on the top. And then your left index finger will be on the top of all 4 aces. Now that you've got this down, you're going to start pushing in with your left index finger, pushing the aces in, and as soon as they get close to actually going all the way in, you're going to slide up that top packet to cover those 4 aces. But as you can see, it's just the top packet and then those 4 aces out this one side. So now you're going to contact those 4 aces in the top packet with your thumb, middle, and ring, and you're just going to pull them out and then drop it down into a mechanic's grip. So now in this packet alone, you have the 4 aces and then that top packet, and you can continue your Hindu shuffle all the way until you're content with being done. And that should leave you with 1, 2, 3, 4 aces on the top of the deck. Now recently I actually created a full magic routine utilizing this move, and it hasn't dropped quite yet, so make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you can be notified when that drops. But because I haven't taught that move quite yet, here's something extra fun for you. Go ahead and select 4 random cards throughout the deck. So let's say you select that one there, this one here, that's number 2, number 3 right here, and number 4 right there. And there is completely free choice, nothing fancy about it, right? So here's what's going to happen. I'm going to take those 4 cards and we're going to get rid of the rest of the deck. And you'll find that you have the ace of spades, diamonds, clubs, and hearts. And if you want to learn that multiple card force, make sure to check out the video right up here. And if you want to learn the Hindu shuffle, you can check out that video right there. If you want to check out these cards, they're 10% off in the description below. And make sure to subscribe for when that tutorial drops. I'll catch you guys in the next one. This is CPM signing off.